All right, so we made it in the Fresno Chaffee Zoo this morning. We're gonna try to see if we can find the baby elephants. It's the big attraction right now. But probably first a little breakfast as usual. That's always our thing. Here we go. I might be wrong. You might be actually seeing the elephants now and then breakfast. They're way up ahead of me. I can't catch up to them. They won't wait for me. I want to see some baby elephants. There they are. Almost caught up to them. Man, we're booking it. Oh, there's the meerkats. Look, they've stopped. Let's see what's going on. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, my gosh. Never seen him standing up there. That's awesome. Look at him. Up on Fresno Pride Rock. Look at that. Fresno Pride Rock. There's a mama down there. Oh wow, I see the crowd already building there for the babies. The poor lions are like, hey, look at me. I'm standing up on the rock. Pay attention to me. It looks like they've got the butterfly exhibit up and the big bugs. We actually have a video you can check out of the butterfly exhibit, but at the time they did not have the big bugs. So that's something new. It looks kind of like how they had the dinosaurs. You walk through it. You see a little bit of it there in the open exit. Pretty interesting. All right, let's see what we got going on here.
You see the baby?
You can get up close up there.
The water in the pools because the babies don't know how to swim and they don't want them to drown. Oh, there you go. Yeah. They don't know how to swim, so that's why their pools are empty right now. What do you think? You're looking the wrong way. So cute. You see its big old head? You see the other one? So it looks like a big rock right here. See that? Not yet. Can we feed them? Yeah. Yay! I want to go on that. I want to. You want to walk over here and see if we can see the baby?
Jennifer, you come over here and take a shot right here.
Oh my gosh,
Come here.
it's okay. I'll stay right here. What?
Oh, you're fine.
It's laying down actually. No, it's down in like a little...
Right there, it's right there.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, cute.
He's right over here.
Here, Mom, you look at the
I know, both of them are, huh?
Oh,
So
Little fluffy ears.
Where's the map? Where's the elephant?
you see this one? No.
Like, you see the baby elephant.
When it gets back, it's baby.
I'm not sure
There
where
they
they
go.
just put away. I think that's people
I'll let you know. You see?
No, I saw the pink group, but I don't know where the other ones are.
There they go.
Oh, there she goes.
Walked right by.
There's the other one, yeah. That's Tonda talking to the... Oh, look at that. There's the other one. So that one is Tonda, and the other one does not have a name yet.
Where? Oh, there's the baby.
You can get in if you need a better picture.
Thank you, it's okay.
Can you see the baby? Look at the baby over there. Look. Play. Right there. See the baby? Look. See? Look at the baby. Look at the calf.
So cute.
There's the baby. Huh?
We started drawing your blood every day and running this test so that we can tell immediately when that this level's dropped. However, it's not inconclusive science, and so some females will give birth once it's dropped past this point, others will give birth once it's dropped past another point, and so in the last year actually she did have a drop, but it wasn't necessarily as big of a drop as normal.
Yeah.
Are we having fun yet? You guys ready for some breakfast?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Oh, now it's not.
Is that her? Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. We got the official zoo train going on. Okay. We got the zoo train through the safari. Through the African safari in Fresno. Anyway, if I heard correctly, the second baby elephant that you guys saw was named Tonda. The first one does not have a name yet, so you still have time to go online and I guess vote for a name. They said maybe there's several names up there, or maybe you can suggest a name. But there's still time to name the first elephant we saw. The second one was Tonda. Very cute. All right, so we are heading to the Kingdoms of Asia. Going to check that out again. One of the newer displays here at the Fresno Chaffee Zoo. We will check that out. Here we go. Opening over here. Oh, there he is right there. There he is. Right there.
Oh, okay, yeah. Well, I'm putting the half towards him. Can I hold you up so you see?
Controlling the wall.
Shallow, we're going the right way.
Let's see if we can see him.
He's coming back.
Where is he? Where is he? There he is.
I'd be one of those people.
There he is. Yep.
So I watch the Tiger King. Yeah.
All right. Going into the Kingdoms of Asia. Or as I like to call it, the Indiana Jones adventure or experience. All right, here we go. All right, let's see if we see this alligator. I see a bunch of fish in here. I'm gonna keep putting fish in here. Where's the alligator? I've never seen him out of the water. I've always seen him in the water. Not much going on for the sloth bear today. Or the otters. I don't see either of them. Oh, there he is right there. He's coming out. Now he's coming out. There we go. must have just let him out. I swear I didn't see him before. There he is.
Esperando su comida.
Well, this is new. They didn't have this area opened up before. This little eating area. This is nice. A few tables back here. There's the water's coming in. Wow. He's hiding. Oh, he's over in the corner. There he comes.
See it over there?
There we go.
Big old.
That's a
See it?
Right there. This is why I love this part of the zoo right here. It just doesn't feel like you're in Fresno at all. Wow. Crazy. I love it. Go over here. Now this is the old, oh, there he is down in the water. This is the old elephant enclosure, and they redid it. They finally got it all set up. Oh, he's in the water. It's hard to see him. He's swimming around, enjoying life. Wow. They've got two viewing points. This one, which is on top, and then the one down there by the cafe, which we were just at. Oh, there he is again. He's poking out a little bit. He's gonna come out. All right. Nice. I can wave at him. Like he's looking at us. Waiting for his close-up. It's about as close-up as I can get with this camera phone. There he comes. I love the coloring, the black and the white. Wow. Beautiful. All right, let's see what's going on with the orangutans today. Oh, we'll check out down here. Oh boy. Let's see what we got. Oh, there they are in the corner. Look at that. There they are. They're all kind of playing in the corner over there. Cute. I will say it's one of my favorite additions right now too. Is this opening up here of this section by the cafe. It used to be closed right here by the sloth bear. You had a big old thing that was right there across. You had a big old fence. Is the word I'm looking for, I guess. There's the flamingo. He's looking all flamingo-y. One guy by himself over here trying to get some rest. Away from the crowd for a little bit. Oh, look, they do. Do they? Look at this area now. This wasn't open before. This is new. Usually you had to walk all the way around. Wow, look at that little barn. That's nice. Yeah, they're doing a lot of good work here. As you can tell, this is the backside of the Kingdoms of Asia. You can see a little bit of the faux landscape there, creeping over the buildings. Look at this. This is nice. This has been closed down. The petting part of the zoo here has been closed down for a while, so they finally got it reopened. A little tractor there, antique tractor, and a little farm area here. Would have been nice to see the sunflowers in bloom. Stroller parking and a barn. Barn must be the entrance here. Wow, that is neat.
Oh, sun-made. No champion raisins.
The windmill is presented by Sunday. Sunday has presented the windmill. Wow, they really did a good job. And then this would be the other part of the zoo here where you'd walk in. You'd walk in right there, and then you go back to where the birds are. And the crocodile, the favorite animal here. And like a lot of nice fruit trees and stuff going on.
I like how they designed this.
You see all the different varieties. This is pretty neat. This is funny. We were just talking about all the trees here that they have, and we've got like everything in our backyard that they have here. We were looking at it, so we actually have a valley farm in our backyard. How cool! That's pretty neat. All right. All right. For just an example of what I was talking about, they have a plum tree, pomegranate, persimmon, nectarine, apple, cherry, peach, and we've got all those in our backyard. It's amazing. How lucky are we? And an apricot. I see an apricot down there. We also have an apricot. Wow. All right, we're probably not going to go in here today, but I just want to get a quick view. Nice little area they redid here. Little petting zoo area. It's nice. They're doing a great job. All right, I was gonna go in there just to see what it looked like inside. We can walk in and see. Check it out. Oh, and guess what? More trees. More trees here. They've got a orange right there we have, and we have a lemon tree. Do they have a lime though? We have a grapefruit. We have a mandarin, and there's another orange down there on the end. I don't know if you can see it. I had the camera off a little bit. So we've got all these. I don't see a lime. Now we have a lime. So we have. It's so funny. I see the little tag on there. It says orange. Those look like the same kind of trees you get from Costco. They probably bought them from Costco. That's where I got them too. Got them from Costco. Yeah, it's a nice area. They're able to preserve some of the landscape. Look at how tall that tree is. That's beautiful. They're able to preserve it, incorporate it into the new petting zoo area, petting farm. I love it. They did a great job. All right, American Gothic right here. I gotta hold it.
Do you want to be the lady or the man?
All right, you want to give me your phone? Hold on. I'm getting the video. I gotta put the cup down. All right, I'm getting the video. All right, so now we're leaving the Valley Farm area as we're walking back out. As you can see, they opened it up. Looks really nice. Good job. And you walk right out into Stingray Bay. bird exhibits, flamingos. Back to Kingdoms of Asia. Oh wow, you know, I don't think I've really seen that face on the top. I know the one in the front. I've never seen the one on the side. It's never caught my eye before. Nice, the detail. Pretty cool. We're heading out, but we have one last stop before we leave. Actually, this is kind of new. A little tribute to Fresno Chaffee Duck. That's very nice. Okay, where's our last stop? Where are we going? We're going to the gift shop, right? Yep. All right, this is the last stop here. Let's see what goodies they have. Safari Trading Company. Go ahead, what are you looking for? Oh my gosh, sharks, your favorite? She loves sharks. All right, here we go. Always good to pick something up. Helps support the zoo. All the animals. Oh, after those little baby elephants, makes you want to get one. Cute. All right, some more goodies. I thought you were looking at hats. Here is a shark hat. It says Great White Shark on it.
Oh, there you go.
Ooh. Is that the only color it comes in?
It's like a nice neutral color.
Yeah. Oh, we found a shirt, I think.
25.
Oh, that's a nice looking shirt. No?
I'm just enjoying the AC in here.
I don't know. I kind of like that shirt. Oh, look what I found. Oh, yeah. I like this. How about this? Look how cute that is.
Wait till I
Just like me, she's going for the price.
$20.
It's like probably $14.99. Is that what it is? I think that's what it said over there. I think it said $14.99 for the plush, mini plush. Yep, $14.99 up there, right there. Ah, maybe a keeper. She's holding on to it. I think she likes it. All right, quickly, let's see what you got. She went for the shark. She got the shark. All right, that's it. That's it, folks. That's our day at the zoo. Got to see the baby elephants and a few updates as well to the zoo. We're heading home. Here they come. All right. Now tell everybody bye.
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 Oh, wait.
What was that? The Sharky says bye.